Hello class 12th. Inheritance and variation. Today we'll go for the chromosomal and Mendelian disorders, which are due to the change in the number of the chromosomes or the structure of the chromosome is being disturbed. Then these disorders occur. According to the Mendel's second law, in a monohybrid pure line cross, only one character is being able to express itself, that is called dominant, and another is known as the recessive character. And law of segregation says there is no mixing of the characters. Even then, we are seeing different type of the abnormalities in the human beings. For example, in this particular case, the face is comparatively swollen, or the swollen face is present with slanting and bulging eyes protruding outside. The mouth is open, the tongue is protruding, saliva continuously comes out from the mouth. In this case, the height is also stunted, growth is not proper, and the child is mentally retarded. The brain development is not taking place properly. This type of the symptoms occurs in Down syndrome. During the sexual reproduction, the male and the female gamete both are having the 23 chromosomes. Each one having one set of the chromosome only, and all the type of the chromosomes are present, so that when fertilization is taking place, again the zygote formation takes place by the fusion of the sperms and egg. Formation of the 46 chromosomes or 23 pairs of the chromosomes takes place. But the chromosomal disorders occurs when the number of the chromosomes is being disturbed or their structure changes. There is a change in its structure. So, this chromosomal number may increase or may decrease, causing the different type of the disorders. For example, in this case, the female is egg. When the meiosis was going on, there was non-disjunction of the chromosome, while the male, the normal cell division took place. During the time of fertilization, both the eggs get fuses, and the fusion results into increased number of the chromosome in one set and decreased number of chromosome in another one. When the number of chromosomes decreases or the increases, then it is known as aneuploidy. And when the complete set of the chromosomes is increased, then it is known as euploidy or the polyploidy, which generally takes place in case of plants. One of the gamete is having extra chromosome and another is having one chromosome less. Especially in case of the Down syndrome, the number of chromosomes, 21st chromosome, trisomy of the chromosome takes place. Like in case of aneuploidy, trisomy, if one chromosome is more, because 3 will be there then, and monosomy when 1 is less. Due to this non-disjunction and trisomy of the chromosome, the disease Down syndrome takes place. That is in case of a autosomal chromosome. But if this type of the disorders takes place in case of sex chromosomes, then Klinefelter syndromes or Turner syndromes happens in the human beings, where X chromosome in one set of the chromosome or the gamete is more and showing the process of aneuploidy, while in another set, one X chromosome is less, because of which XXY or X0 condition occurs. So these type of the non-disjunctional causing the aneuploidy, where the trisomy of the chromosomes like XXY in case of the Klinefelter syndrome and X0 condition in case of the Turner syndrome takes place. Generally, the cells, they are diploid in nature in case of higher plants and animals. Diploid condition is present, meaning that two sets of the chromosomes are present, and if suppose more than two haploid sets of chromosomes are being formed, that results into the polyploidy in zygote. This type of the condition is complete one set of the chromosome is being increased, while in case of aneuploidy you have seen a single chromosome is more, 3 of the 21 chromosome like in case of the Down syndrome. But in case of euploidy, one complete set of the chromosome is being increased, causing triploidy, tetraploidy, pentaploidy, hexaploidy like that, or in common polyploidy condition. This type of the condition mostly occurs in case of the plants. Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome and Turner syndrome are due to the chromosomal number disorders. The number of the chromosome increased or decreased, or the aneuploidy is present, then it is taking place. For example, in case of Down syndrome, it is the trisomy of the 21st chromosome, disjunctioning of the 21st chromosome causing one extra copy of 21 chromosome. It is in case of the autosome. While Dr. Langdon Down, he discovered about this Down syndrome, so the name was given by his name only, having the child with the swollen face, protruding tongue, bifid tongue, slanting eyes, mentally retarded, stunted growth are the general characters. Palms, they are also very short in comparison to others. Chest portion also protruding outside. So many characters are there, and these child can never be the normal one or cannot function normally. Their age increases, but their body and the mind development will not be as per the normal child. Height will be less always, and head will be bigger in comparison to the body size. Palm will be broad with a single crease, not two. Retarded physical, psychomotor and mental development. So many times they are not able to do their daily course. Klinefelter syndrome, they are the male having the female characteristics, or you call them eunuchs. So in this case, one of the extra X chromosome is there, XXY condition. So instead of 46 chromosomes, they are having the 47 chromosome and additional X chromosomes, resulting into malfunctioning of the reproductive parts, not the properly developed reproductive parts, more of the female characters discovered by Dr. Harry Klinefelter. They are also infertile, cannot reproduce due to underdevelopment of the reproductive organs. While in case of the Turner syndrome, one X chromosome is less, so there the total number of set of chromosome, that is 45, 2n minus 1. Due to these sex chromosome disorders, poor breast growth, narrow shoulders, female-like characters, formation of gynecomastia, means breast-like structures which are not actually properly breast but breast-like structures. Underdeveloped testes cannot produce the sperm, so they are infertile, are the general characteristics of the Klinefelter syndrome. Another type of the aneuploidy where the loss of the chromosome is there, that is Turner syndrome. In case of the Turner syndrome, one sex chromosome is less, that is X0 condition is present, missing one X chromosome, and the total number of the chromosomes will be 45 instead of 46 chromosomes. So one X chromosome is missing. They are again discovered by Henry Herbert Turner. They are reproductively not fit, infertile females. More character of the females are present. Masculine characters are absent. Webbed neck, very broad. Aorta is constricted. Even the body parts are not properly developed. Poor breast development. Underdeveloped ovaries, cannot produce egg, so generally infertile. Structure is very short. They will not gain much more height. The development is very poor in this Turner syndrome. So generally the chromosomal disorders, 3 are there in your syllabus: Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome and the Turner syndrome. There are certain disorders which are due to the chromosomal structure, change in the chromosomal structure during the process of the meiosis, so that a particular type of the protein is not able to be produced by the body. During the meiosis, when the prophase 1 stage is there, at that time linkage and crossing over takes place. At that particular time period, when linkage crossing over is taking place or other changes are taking place in the chromosomes, sometimes certain codes are being missed, duplicated, inserted the new codes or substituted by the other codes, resulting into deletion or the duplication or substitution of the codes. When this condition arises, it results into the chromosomal disorders due to the change in their structure. In case of deletion, characters are being deleted. In case of duplication, certain genes are added or duplicated, while in case of the translocation, 2 different non-sister chromatids, they are getting close to each other or getting changed with this. During the process of the fertilization, when the sperm is reaching to the egg or the mature human egg, that time the zygote is being formed, and during that time period also when the homologous chromosomes comes close to each other so that pairing of the chromosome can take place, that time also certain structural changes takes place, resulting into the different type of the diseases such as Jacobson's syndrome and Cry-Due syndrome. Continuous crying of the child or crying child are due to the change in the chromosomal structures. So it is very important that to be have a healthy child, the mother and the father should have the healthy habits. Sometimes alcohol smoking can result this type of child.